Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I have a few pieces of very nice kembung fish with me. Not very big, this size, so I can deep fry and until it is crispy and eat it together with white porridge tonight. And I'll be making some chili dip as well, alright, using chili padi. So let's deep fry it. I believe ikan kembung, correct me if I'm wrong, is also called Indian mackerel, yeah? One of my most favorite fish. So make sure you remove the innards from the fish itself. Usually for small fish like this, what the seller did was he actually took out the innards from here, yeah, from here inside. So they don't really cut the fish. They manage to keep the fish intact, yeah. The whole shape is there. And you want to marinate with a little bit of salt, and of course try your best to remove any excessive water, should there be any. Use a kitchen towel to wipe it dry so that it won't splatter too much in the wok. Alright, so heat up some oil until smoking point, meaning you start seeing smoke coming out from the oil itself. That is at least about 180 degrees Celsius and above. That is exactly the kind of temperature you wanted. Then you can actually use a tongue to help. And you want to use at least medium-high heat to fry the fish. Once you have put in the fish, don't flip it yet. Let it fry for approximately 1.5 minutes before you flip it to the other side. Another trick that prevents your fish from sticking at the wok is to use a non-stick wok. That is the easiest strategy or easiest technique, yeah. Now some people say, tell Appa, my wok is a non-stick but it still stick lah. Let me tell you, if your non-stick wok still stick, meaning your non-stick wok coating is already off, worn off, it's time for you to change another non-stick wok. Now, after many years of trying or testing and experimenting, the best non-stick wok that you can find from the market, go for those stone-coated ones. Any brand will do. Use a stone-coated ones. That coating really lasts a long time. Yeah. So this is after approximately 2 minutes. You can see it doesn't stick. So we can turn it around. Just be careful. There's some water inside. Super fragrant. This kembung fish has a very unique flavor. I don't know how to explain, but those who love it really loves it. But my wife doesn't. And if you really deep fry everything until very crispy, actually you can almost eat like 80% of it, including some part of the bones and some part of the egg, head also, fish head. There's one dish in Bangkok that I've tried before. They actually took out the jaw of the fish head of a kembung fish, and deep fry and make it into a crispy dish. Very, very nice. I love that. Now we give another side another approximately 2 minutes, then it is basically done. Very easy. That's how simple it is to fry fish. A lot of people told me, Appa, I am so scared of deep frying fish. Actually, it's not that difficult. Yeah? Alright, this is approximately 4 minutes. Right, it's basically done. I'm going to take it out. Right, see how nice it is. Super, super fragrant, I tell you. Okay, so here's my ikan kembung. And I have some chili padi here. And I'm adding in some kicai, calamansi. And a bit of light soya sauce. Done. I'm going to eat this with white porridge. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. No need to afraid of deep frying fish. Bye bye.